On this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at the E13 bash-only bash guard. Basically what we have here is a ISCG 05 mounting bash guard that's going to be able to go just below the chainring on the crankset. And it's interesting because it's going to come with a bash guard both for a 28 and a 30 tooth, as well as a 32 and a 34 tooth bash guard. So these are replaceable, and one of the things that's awesome about E13 is they sell the parts aftermarket, so you can get replacement parts as you bash them up and you see fit. And then it's going to come with a bunch of different spacers as well as the screws to be able to align the ISCG tabs so that this lines up perfectly with your crankset. Another neat thing that I like about this setup is, even though this does not come with a lower chain roller, it's actually got the mounting spots for it. So should you want to add those, you actually can, and you can get that aftermarket. But this is a pretty neat setup, and let's go ahead and see what this bash guard weighs in at. Now let's see exactly what it weighs. So the E13 bash guard is going to come in at a pretty lightweight 74 grams.